Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts because we are about to present to you a culinary revolution that will change the way you perceive cooking. Imagine crispy fries, delicious and nutritious dishes, all prepared with up to 90% less fat. Yes, you heard it right. Welcome to the world of the Philips Airfryer Series 3000 XL, the 14-in-1 hot air fryer that will transform your cooking experience. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The Philips Airfryer Series 3000 XL is ideal for anyone looking for a versatile, quick, and healthy cooking solution. Whether you are a passionate cook or an active family, this 14-in-1 hot air fryer perfectly meets your needs. Offering an exceptional cooking experience. Imagine coming home after a long day, hungry and tired, dreaming of savoring delicious dishes without guilt, without sacrificing taste. This is where this fryer comes into play, ready to transform your daily life, putting an end to the compromises between taste, pleasure, and well-being. This revolutionary fryer does the work for you. You can own the Philips Airfryer 3000 XL with one click on the link below and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Imagine an extra-large capacity of 6.2 liters, a generous 1.2 kilos basket to satisfy the whole family. With 7 preset programs and an intuitive touchscreen, you can fry, bake, roast, grill, and even reheat your favorite dishes with just a touch of a finger. Gone are the long hours spent in the kitchen. The Philips Airfryer cooks up to 50% faster, thus saving up to 70% energy compared to a traditional oven. A true ally for busy modern families. Philips's rapid air technology circulates hot air for crispy food on the outside and tender on the inside. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning easier, giving you more time to enjoy your culinary creations rather than worrying about washing the dishes. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price to revolutionize your daily life. But that's not all. Philips goes even further by providing you with a personalized experience through its NutriU app. Download it and discover hundreds of recipes tailored to your preferences, complete with step-by-step instructions. You are no longer just a cook, but a creative chef ready to explore new culinary horizons. In short, the Philips Air Fryer is much more than just a simple air fryer. It is a modern kitchen companion that makes healthy cooking accessible to everyone. Why wait? Transform your kitchen, delight your family, and discover the joy of cooking guilt-free. And the best part is this product is available at the best price by clicking the link in the description. You will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Now, let's recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, fast and economical cooking. Up to 50% faster than traditional ovens, this air fryer allows you to save up to 70% of energy. Advantage number 2, exceptional versatility. With 7 preset programs, you can fry, bake, roast, grill, and even reheat your favorite dishes. Advantage number 3, rapid air technology. Hot air swirls for crispy food on the outside and tender on the inside without the need for excessive oil. Advantage number 4, generous capacity. A weight of 1.2 kilo and a 6.2 liter bowl make this fryer a perfect choice for families, cooking up to 5 portions at a time. Advantage number 5, NutriU app. Access hundreds of inspiring recipes with step-by-step instructions for a personalized cooking experience. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Drawback number 1. Bulkiness. With dimensions of 30.7 by 31.5 by 40.3 em, this air fryer may require space in the kitchen. Disadvantage number 2, the need for the app. To fully enjoy its features, the use of the NutriU app may be necessary, which may not be suitable for some users. But despite these points, the Philips Airfryer Series 3000 XL remains an innovative solution for quick, healthy, and delicious cooking. And now, to top it all off, there is just one action to take. Click on the link in the description to order it at the best price. Discover the thousands of enthusiastic customer reviews and dive into a unique cooking experience. Don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your kitchen today. Thank you for your attention and see you very soon.